We've stuck a bit of ply into the middle here. I've stuck that with some CT1. You could screw this tool, which I'm going to explain now, into it, but I didn't want holes, so just stuck this in, and I'll screw this to that then. So basically what we got here, this is called the indispensable tool. So this enables us to put the arm on here, and any point we adjust it to is always right. So as you come up, it's right, as you go round. So basically all this is this is a caster wheel. So there would have been a wheel there on it, like a trolley wheel caster wheel. And that's where the wheel would fix to whatever you were mounted to. So you take the wheel off, you drill a hole through the wood, bolt it back onto the wood, and you've got it. And obviously you set your length of timber to that as well. That's quite important, but obviously you can adjust it to fine tune it. So we found centre here now again.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Oh, I forgot. Oh. Lovely, right. Try and get that in. This is going to help me with this sport I thought I'd be doing. One of them is probably using a jack. The centre there. There. Jack wants to come forward a bit. As you can see here, this is what we're up against. So you can see it's probably a little gap there, which I've got to watch because what I don't want is a step in the bricks. So I'll have to, I'll find it.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile